up, you guys? I know it's been a while. I haven't posted anything in like over a month. I got a little burnt out, so I felt like I would step back a little bit and take care of myself. But while I was away, I was filming everything, but I wasn't editing anything at all. So I thought I'd get all the footage, put it all in a recap video for you guys. And some of the things that I got to do was pretty cool. I did career day for a bunch of kids in elementary school here in LA. I did secret walls, I did a few interviews here and there. I went to the Bay Area. I've never been there before. I did a few art hunts here and there. And then on top of that, me and my team came out with like "Hello, my name is Prince" and t-shirts, which are now available in the description down below, which I was like super stoked about. And on top of that, like Eminem himself actually saw the piece and he posted the video on his Instagram. That was like really mind-blowing. But so anyways, here's the whole recap video of everything that I've been up to. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye. I'm hoping the kids think I'm cool.
My name is Sara and I'm an artist and a YouTuber.
Three, two, one. Oh yeah, here we go. One over here. If you think they are victorious, let's hear you scream, go. Gabe and Sara, congratulations. Come get lost with me. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling.
Since I posted it, and it's been going around Instagram and Facebook and like everywhere. I thought it was like slowing down and everything, but then later Eminem himself posted the video on his Instagram, which is like super crazy. I would never have like guessed Eminem himself would like post one of my art pieces ever. So this is one of the prints of the Eminem piece.